Yes, good evening, my friends. Let us discuss today about insulin. Okay? So, we all know about this pancreatic insulin, and very frequently in the present circumstances, we used to say that most of the persons are on the verge of becoming diabetic, or in some way or the other they used to have problems related to controlling of sugar levels in their body. Right. So we will understand the importance of insulin today under the various headings. Yes, of course, as I am going to tell you that I will not be writing anything. Questions are there and it will be purely verbally. I will be explaining each and every question. So it is my suggestion that everybody whosoever is watching this video, please see this video up to the end. Then only you will be able to understand completely about insulin. So this particular information, these all are general information which will be good for everyone. Anybody, whether one is related with medical science or not related with medical science, they can understand the various functions and some informations on this insulin. So first of all, let me introduce this insulin. So insulin is a hormone. What it is? Insulin is a hormone produced by the beta cells of the pancreas. Insulins are the hormones produced by the pancreatic beta cells, okay, which is also called as islets of Langerhans. Right. So insulin is a hormone produced by the beta cells of pancreas, which are also known as islets of Langerhans, and it plays a vital role. This hormone insulin is playing a vital role in regulating blood glucose levels and energy metabolism. Right? It is playing a major role in regulating blood glucose level and energy metabolism. Right. Now, the role of insulin in glucose regulation. So, insulin helps lowering of blood sugar. How? By promoting glucose uptake into body cells. So insulin hormone is promoting glucose uptake into body cells, and thereby it is working in such a fashion that it lowers blood sugar. And especially in muscle and fat tissues, this glucose will be utilized. Especially in muscle and fat tissues, the glucose will be utilized. Simultaneously, it stimulates the conversion of glucose to glycogen. With this process of converting glucose to glycogen is called glycogenesis. And this takes place in the liver for storage. The process of glycogenesis is taking place in the liver for storage. So it is stimulating, this insulin hormone is stimulating the conversion of glucose into glycogen. Right. Now coming to know about energy metabolism. Energy metabolism means how it helps in energy production, that is ATP, in the form of ATP, adenosine triphosphate. So insulin facilitates the use of glucose for energy production in our body. In human body, insulin facilitates the use of glucose for energy production, that is adenosine triphosphate in the form of ATP. It also promotes fat and protein synthesis. ensuring the body's energy balance. Energy has to be balanced in the body, so ensuring energy balance, insulin promotes fat and protein synthesis. It also prevents excessive breakdown of fat and muscle tissue. Insulin also prevents excessive breakdown of fat and muscle tissue. Coming to question number 4, how does insulin help in maintenance of body functions? Right, so it supports growth and development by ensuring nutrient utilization. Insulin is supporting growth and development of cells by ensuring nutrient utilization. Insulin also helps in maintaining normal functioning of organs by providing a steady energy supply, by providing a constant energy supply. Okay, so it is helping to maintain normal functioning of organs. Now coming to next question, fifth question, how does deficiency of insulin impact health? So, deficiency in production of insulin hormone by the pancreas may lead, it will be leading to the disease which is caused in human body, that is called diabetes mellitus. Diabetes mellitus. So lack of insulin or its improper use leads to the disease diabetes mellitus. There are two types here, two types of diabetic. It is there, type 1 and type 2. In type 1, body fails to produce insulin. In type 1 diabetic, one is type 1 diabetic, it means body is failing. Pancreas has failed to produce insulin. Whereas in type 2, body becomes resistant to insulin. In type 2 diabetic, body becomes resistant to insulin. Whatever be the case, whether it is type 1 or type 2, the blood sugar level will not be maintained properly in case any problem occurs in insulin hormone, and the result will be high blood sugar. Due to that high blood sugar, a person may feel highly tired, fatigue, there will be weight loss, and it may lead to some long-term complications. It may lead to some long-term complications. Now next question, how does the doctor treat patient with deficiency of insulin? So of course any kind of disease, now it can be cured by using controlled medicines. So what are the therapeutic treatment is being given by the doctor? That is, insulin tablets are available or insulin injections are also available. So insulin injections are very important for diabetic patients to manage blood sugar. Even some synthetic drugs are available, that is called recombinant insulin, is widely used in modern medical treatments. Okay. So as a summary, we can say that insulin is essential for glucose regulation, energy balance, and overall metabolism. Insulin is essential for glucose regulation. It's very much necessary for glucose regulation, energy balance, and overall metabolism. Its deficiency leads to a disease which is called diabetes, making it a life-saving hormone for millions. Yes, insulin is a life-saving hormone for millions. Many, due to present day food, mostly the food habits, or mostly the persons, people, they are liking about liking junk foods and all, it leads to this kind of disease that is called diabetes mellitus. So regulating insulin hormone in our body is very much necessary. It is essential. Insulin is very much essential for glucose regulation and energy balance and overall metabolism. Please share with maximum persons so that they will be more serious about this insulin hormone, and they will keep on getting themselves checked by their doctor at periodic intervals. Thank you.